Thanks for cleaning up. Good job cleaning up. Down here in the Fox River, De Pere, Wisconsin. Here to do a cleanup today with a group of people. Picking up the stuff on the banks, all the plastic, fishing line, just a lot of trash that's all over from the fishing season. I'm gonna try to come in the water here, do a little cleanup. A sturgeon just slapped me in the head. I think I had enough of that. I keep bumping into sturgeon. It kind of scares you. It's not just like a small fish, it's like a solid, big, heavy fish you're hitting. A lot of sturgeon in here. They keep bumping me when I'm trying to look for stuff. I'm gonna get out in case they have hooks on them. I don't want to get hooked, dragged up the river. But I'm gonna come out here and clean up the banks for these guys. All right, we got some fishing line here. Oh, look at that! Found a lure. We're not even in the water. Some line here. Line right here. That reeks. Kind of don't want to find the bag, but I kind of do, so I can put all the stuff in it. There's a robin picking up fishing line over there. He's got a bunch of fishing line in his mouth. Thanks. Look at all the sinkers you're finding. That's nice. There's so much of it, it's hard to pick it all out. I used to fish all the time, but now my goal is to clean. And I try to inspire other people to do it too for my videos.
You could do this like every day.
Yeah, I do. I get stuck editing videos and, you know, cleaning lures and putting new hooks on them because I got to sell lures to make money. This stuff is just all voluntary. It gets on my hoses and then it starts wearing your hoses down and it's rubbing left and right on them.
Well, this stuff is so, I mean, it could cut, it seems like.
Yeah, there's ducks and birds come up here. They start walking through here and then they get all tangled up.
Yeah. Well, they can't see it.
Nope. See, we gotta watch out for boards like that with screws sticking out. Imagine stepping on that. Now you're fishing out here, you don't expect to be stepping on screws.
No.
Oh, here's a bag. I always look for bags so I can throw stuff in them.
Oh, how'd I miss that?
You can come from one angle when you're looking for lures, and then another person can come from another angle, find the same amount. Any muskie today? No? I'm trying to dive up there, but the sturgeon, I can only see like that far, and they kept bumping into me. I had to get out. It's nice when you can dive with them and actually see them, but when you're diving, you can only see this far. All of a sudden, they're bumping in your arms, and they're hitting you in the head. It all adds up.
It does.
Within the first 10 minutes, my hands and feet are frozen.
Oh, yeah.
But I had to stay in there. Is this your crawler container? No? Just gotta cool off for a little bit. Yikes. It's a murder weapon.
Medieval torture device.
Like a playground for a raccoon or something. Get this glass.
A huge thank you to all the people who came to volunteer clean up the Fox River in De Pere, Wisconsin.